Hi, my name is Kanwal Sarai, and welcome to the Simply Investing course. I've put together this one-of-a-kind course to help you quickly and easily become a successful investor. What will you learn in this course? You will learn how to make money by creating a new passive income stream for yourself and at the same time minimizing your risk. In other words, I'm going to show you how to maximize your profits and minimize your risk. Now, I promise to deliver this course to you in plain English with simple, concise, real-life examples and with absolutely no jargon. So you're going to learn how to make more, save your time, reduce your risk. And the key here is I'm going to teach you how to build for yourself a passive stream of growing income every single year. And the other thing we're going to look at is reducing your fees. The fees that you currently pay for your mutual funds, index funds, or ETFs. Because over time, your fees will add up. Here's an example of the cost of investing $50,000 of your hard-earned money. Over 25 years, you can see how high the fees are. For example, with mutual funds, you will easily pay over $72,000 in mutual fund fees. Index funds are a little bit better, ETFs are a little bit better, but as you can see from the chart, stocks are the best option. Now in this example, we're only investing $50,000. If you were investing $100,000 or $150,000, your fees will be considerably more. One more example. Let's say you invested $1,000 in the stock market 50 years ago. Today it would be worth over $500,000. However, with fees of 2.2% deducted every single year, you'd be left with a lot less. Now 2.2% doesn't sound like a lot. And in fact, in Canada, that's the average mutual fund fee is 2.2%. But with that fee deducted every single year, you'd be left with $193,000. That is $321,000 would be lost to fees. Now again, in this example, we're only investing $1,000, but if you invested $5,000, $8,000, $10,000, your fees are going to be a lot more. So I'm going to show you in this course how to not only save the fees, but how to avoid paying these fees altogether. This course is divided into 10 modules. In the first module, we're going to cover the following 4 lessons. Lesson 1 is what we're covering right now. In lesson 2, I'm going to talk about my story and how I got started with investing. Next, we'll look at some of the investing myths, and then we're going to start with the basics. What is a stock? What is a dividend? And what is the stock market? In Module 2, we cover the 12 rules of Simply Investing with some real-life examples. In Module 3, we're going to learn how to apply the 12 rules of Simply Investing. So there's a do-it-yourself approach. There's a quick introduction to option A and B, and we do cover option A in this module, and option B is covered in Module 4, and we also look at the Simply Investing report. In Module 5, we talk about how to buy stocks using a discount broker. We'll go over the types of trading accounts in the US and Canada. And then in the next lesson, I will show you how to place your very first stock order. Next, we're going to look at building and tracking your portfolio of stocks. Then, we're going to look at how and when to sell your stocks. In Module 8, we look at mutual funds, index funds, ETFs, and how to manage your risk when it comes to investing. Then we'll revisit some of the investing myths we looked at earlier on in the first module. And then in lesson 26, I'm going to show you exactly how to get started right away. In Module 10, we cover some of the frequently asked questions. So that's the end of lesson 1. I will see you in lesson 2.